Trader beware, VGT ETF. We all know what that is. It's our favorite one of them. And I just want you to see that it is the 5th day of our breakout. We bought on that moving average. We gave the buy on the 100-day on the $560 call contracts. In the live trading room, you can see the 5-day. We're going to hit resistance. So we're going to sell half into resistance and take half profit. This was the last pullback that gave the buying opportunity. And now we have a selling opportunity. We don't have to sell all. We'll sell half. And then we'll keep a stop. That's how to trade this ETF with a huge gain. I can tell you, we love it, we love it, we love it, we love it. Look at the gain today. This is a follow-through up $9.78. Yes, with a gap of 383 was the gap. Yes, and the high, the open was 584. The high was 590. Oh yeah, and we have pulled back to 581. I mean, not 581, but we have pulled back 81 cents and then consolidated. But nonetheless, it's the perfect one. We do have an $8 gain right now at this moment. So once again, stay tuned. Get in on the free 5-day trial. Check out Buy Now, Pay Later program. It's designed if you want to get involved. Power Investing is here.